I would definitely recommend this share house to other people because it's in a great location and everything is provided, and also it's a great way to make new friends.
建物は、みんなが集まれるラウンジのスペース、あとはキッチンですね。であとはキッチンが各階、お風呂、トイレ、洗面所、洗濯機も各階についています。
I love my share house. I mean, my social life basically depends on it. Apart from one friend from school, everyone I know comes from this share house, or I met through someone living in the share house.
I would definitely recommend this share house because it's in the city center. You can go everywhere and anywhere, and you can make friends pretty easily. Even if you are not that much of an outgoing person, you will meet people here.
I met so many Japanese people and also foreigners, so it's really mixed group.
比較的日本人の方と海外の方がもう 50%、50% ぐらい。
The Japanese people that live here are very friendly, so I have managed to make more Japanese friends in Okawa than I have anywhere else.
So if someone is like afraid to be a bit alone in a foreign country, starting from a share house I think is a really good starting point.
What's unique about this share house is that it's very big. There are a lot of people, I think right now about 30 people. Smaller share houses, there you only have like 4 or 5 different people and you have to get along with them. Here with this amount of people, there will be people you get along with.
This share house I think is particularly good because it's in a really great area. It's situated in the very center of Kyoto.
There are the Sento, the public bath, and so many conveniences. We have like free. There is Teramachi, which is basically where you go for shopping, and Sanjo and Shijo. Everything you can go basically on foot.
月1回のペースを目標に、オークハウスの方でイベントの主催を、やっておりまして、
We had a great Halloween party last year. That was really fun. We partied here in the house and then we moved out to karaoke. It was so fun.
いろんな方が日本人、海外の方問わずいろんな方が、住んでいますので、もう友達も作りやすいですし、いろいろな出会いが待っているのですごくおすすめです。お待ちしております。